Sasho futhi ngirosha sibirana ishasho singanda kakhulu after video lo waseZimbabwe esona kusho ukuthi I'm not going anywhere. Ma Zimbabwe enhle ke hozani lana. Come here Zimbabwe, hozani lana. Asindawo South Africa, asindawo noma ngathini. We are not going anywhere.
Sidla, we are here to stay. Zimbabwe, our flag on the comment section, our flag on the comment section. Asindawo. And listen to me very careful. I'm here and I'm hoping you in your country. Yes, I'm here and I'm hoping you in your country. 3 more roses. Finish them, guys. Finish them. Show them shaggy. See, nothing about Zimbabwe City. We are not going anywhere. We are very dangerous, Mama. You don't know us. On the speed we play, guys. You want to come here, those Concords, when see country. Times to family.
Usini? Guys, she's even proud. Aribana batlaka di crocodile, guys. Batlaka talla ka mkhandri ra rena o rena o tlakang. Guys, she doesn't even need a passport to come here.
Hello, Zimbabwe is dating, Mama. Yes, we are here to stay. We are not going anywhere. Tell your protesters to play. Tell your poor South Africans to play. Yes, and some of our South Africans, they are this side. Yes, because they don't love you, my sister. They don't love you. They don't know you in South Africa. We are here to stay. We are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere. Yes. Tell them to play. Tell your mister to play. We tell your mister to play. Andifuna ukusebenza ngithi. Andifuna ukusebenza ngithi. Amusikuda kushanda imi. Isuthe uyaphana ukuzoshanda mama. Cha uyaphana ukuzoshanda mama. Sizela ukuzosebenza sis. Uyabona? Mase studyile we are going back to. Sizela ukuzosebenza sis. Bring it. Bring it. Oyo Zimbabwe oyo. Why Zimbabwe to the world? Bring it, Mama. Even in South Africa, abantu abathi foreigners they must go back. Yilaba abangafundile abangenasikolo because you are not educated, my sister. Learn to travel, Mama. Zama ukuphuma eSouth Africa ubona amanye ama-country. Phuma eSouth Africa ubona amanye ama-country. Phuma eSouth Africa ubona amanye ama-country.